Hello guys, in this video we will talk about SafePal and Trust Wallet and which one is better between the two. So to give you guys an overview, Trust Wallet is a mobile software wallet by Binance with integrated DApp browser and broad token support, while SafePal offers both a hardware device and optionally a software QR-based wallet with strong security. For security and private control, Trust Wallet stores keys encrypted on your device with cloud backup option. For SafePal, hardware stores keys offline, protected by PIN and anti-tampering tech. For supported assets and integration, Trust supports thousands of tokens and direct stacking options, while SafePal supports multi-chain access and hardware-level signing, ideal for security-focused users. For user experience, Trust mobile app UI is simpler and more intuitive with 24/7 support. For SafePal, hardware setup is slightly more involved but adds strong offline security. For their cost, Trust Wallet app is completely free, while SafePal hardware costs roughly $50 to $60 but includes enhanced protection. So the bottom line is choose Trust Wallet for everyday use, accessibility, staking, and simplicity. And choose SafePal if you value strong hardware level security and offline storage. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and reviews of websites. Thank you for watching.